Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome to the channel. And we are going to do October and November for our new Life Monthly, which is what I call it, which is basically a summary in this big old book here of, I know we're zoomed in, but of collections of things that I have done, me and my son, and now my husband, have done every month. Like one or two little milestones. Sometimes I can fit three, depending on what we did that month. And it's really fun to go back and look. I've been doing this since the end of 2016. So going back and looking, be like, oh my God, that's what we did, and look how young, and blah, blah, blah. So it's really fun, kind of like a Project Life album, only I do it for just 1 month at a time, one Project Life card per month. And as you can see, I've been doing this for several weeks. I hadn't done it in about 2 years. So in the last couple series, we've got all the way to November of 2023, which will be this one. And I print myself on my Canon. No, my Hewlett Packard. And whatever fits on a sheet. So if there would have been 3 for this, I would have done 2 sheets, you know what I'm saying? So as long as, because I don't want to waste, I don't want to just print out one of these little bitty ones and waste the entire photo sheet. So since October was 2 photos and November was 2 photos, we're only going to do 2 months today. So in October, which this is the kit that I've put together, so I just go through my Pocket Life cards, and they're both going to be standing this way because that's the way that they go. We've got this, and it's for the first time that I attended She Loves Color and met the group of girls that I've spent the last year hanging out with. Here they are here, along with Stephanie, who is the president of She Loves Color, Bella Boulevard. Not She Loves Color, Bella Boulevard. She's the host. So you've got Jean, Fran, Laura, Nancy, Marcy, Linda, Rachel, CJ, Sam, Vicky, Pam, Jamie, my bestie from the Northern Midwestie, me, and then Paula Walla. And then over here we went on a Friday night, so this is Saturday. On Friday we went to the China Lights. So I've got a little Saturday I'm going to fussy cut out. We've got XOs, the dates, and those are the things I'm going to fussy cut out. This is how I'm using my Project Life cards to get them used up. Today I'm going to fussy cut out. I'm going to map my photo in that, map my photo with that. I'm going to do my best. I probably didn't realize I had 2 cards, so I'm going to need to pull 2 more. I'm going to fussy cut out the soda. I'm going to fussy cut this out. I'm going to fussy cut out the memories. And I'm going to use October 23. I'm going to cheat. And then I've got a Friday for that day. So there's that one. I need to pull 2 more of those. Let's see if I've got them. And I got this really, really old. My mom picked it up for me at the Dollar General. I don't know if I'm going to have another one of those blue ones though. So let's just switch it up. And then I also do the Laura Alberts thing, and sometimes I cut them up when I have leftovers. I cut up. So this is not going to work to map my photo because I've only got one of them. I cut them up, right? So I give myself some 3x4 cards. So that's what most of the square ones are like this. I just took out pattern paper and cut it up. So there is that one, and I'm going to fussy cut that all off screen. And then for November, we've got this typewriter print. November of 2023 was the first time at my current workplace, so over a year ago, I did my first big presentation. On the screen over here, you can see some of the general managers and vice presidents some of them are sitting here as well, and then all the way over here, you can't see him, is the president of the company, and then taking the pictures, the director, and she was like, I'm so proud of you, you did so well. So I was doing a presentation in the boardroom, kind of intense and a little nerve-wracking, but you girl nailed it. So that was done on a Thursday, so I'm going to cut the Thursday out. I'm going to map my photos in those, so that's going to get fussy cut out. We got the hello to fussy cut out. Remember Bliss snapshots. I want I am because that's just something I never thought I'd be able to do. Fussy cut this out, and again, we're going to use November 23 as our date, so I'm going to cheat. So I'm going to fussy cut both of these out to get them prepped, back the photos, do all that fun stuff, and then we will be back to assemble these two pages together. Right, so we have got memories, and I've got my two photos double matted. I did cut that out and then hole punch the 23. I'm just going to slide that in there. And see what we can get on here. Let's do it this way. Let's make that more like a fun little banner. Okay. Put that there. We'll get the little 40. Tucked in there. Put our little exos. Let's see. Get our Saturday on there because, hey, I like using things without covering anybody's head. And today, so these are very busy. Too long, which is okay. And we have this little noteworthy. That's not gonna work. And this one is Friday. I'll just stick that right there. Trim and trim. And I want to add some googly eyes because it's October, you know. These things are so hard to pick up. Ugh. Let's get that one. It's too big. What else? What else? Ooh, is there another small red one? Well, there's a small pink one, and then here's a small pink one. We'll get rid of red. Pretty sure I saw another small pink one, but Lord. That way we have 5. So then we will just do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put one down here for 5. We're going to treat those like enamel dots, only they're googly eyes. See? And this will go back in my little stash here of things that I've already fussy cut up. All right, so there is our October. Now let's move to November. November, I've got a little bit more on there. So I've got the November at the top. I have mixed metals. We're going to put this right there. We don't need that. I'm going to do the IM coming off of that. And we're not going to get that Remember Bliss snapshots on there, but that's okay. These are going to go back in there. And I've pulled some close to my heart glitter gems, which were my favorite glitter gems of all time. So we'll put 1, 2, let's go with up here. I wish they would, the only thing that I wish is they would have come in 3 sizes. I do want to apologize for my nails because they look horrible. But I also have a members portion of my channel. So if you would like to join and see some fun things, please do so. If you are a new subscriber, or a new viewer, I would like to welcome you to the channel. And please go ahead and everybody, if you find this video and you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you would. And that is today's video. I'm going to back you up a little bit because we're going to put these in our layout or our album so you can kind of get a feel. If you haven't watched this, there's a little series going on, but I have this whole album full of fun things. And like I said, we started this in 2016, and then we just flipped through all the years of my life, the months. And September, we're going to put October here. It slides right in. And then starting a new page, we will get November. And next week, we will finish up the year. I'm going to leave those overhanging because I think they look cute. And that is going to do it for today's layout. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.